Welcome to today's video. If you love learning about animals, especially the talkative, colorful and intelligent creatures we call parrots, we are going to dive into some amazing facts about parrots that might surprise you. Did you know that there are over 393 different species of parrots? Parrots come in all shapes, size and colors, from the large brightly colored macaws of South America to the small, stubble huge birdies you might have at home. Parrots are incredible. Most parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions, including Central and South America, Africa, Australia, and Asia. No matter where you go, these birds are known for their beauty and intelligence. One of the most fascinating things about parrots is their incredible intelligence. Did you know that some parrots have the mental capacity of a 4 to 6-year-old human child? That's right, parrots like the African grey are famous for their ability to mimic human speech. Parrots are not just repeating words, they can also associate words with meaning. Parrots like Alex, the African grey, have been known to identify objects, colors, and even understand concepts like bigger and smaller. Another surprising fact is that many parrot species have a long lifespan. Larger parrots like macaws and cockatoos can live anywhere from 40 to 80 years or more. That means owning a parrot is a lifetime commitment. So if you are thinking of adopting a parrot, remember they might be around longer than you think. Parrots are always highly social animals. In the wild, they live in large flocks and communicate constantly with each other. This need to interaction is one reason parrots often bond closely with their human caregivers. Without enough socialization, parrots can become lonely, which may lead to behavior problems. If you have a pet parrot, make sure to spend lots of time with them and provide plenty of mental stimulation, whether through toys, training, or even just chatting. Unfortunately, many parrot species are facing threats in the wild. But there is a hope. Conservationists are working hard to protect these beautiful birds and their homes. By supporting ethical pet ownership and conservation efforts, we can all play a part in preserving parrots for future generations. This video is sponsored by Genreviews.online. Genreviews.online is one of the review portal site. Check the link in the description box. So there you have it, some incredible facts about our feathered friends, the parrots. If you enjoyed this video and if you are a parrot owner, let us know in the comments below what cool tricks your parrot has. Thanks for watching.